This is the assembly video for the Hewitt Adjustable Pontoon Rack Kit. Lay out and inventory all of the parts and pieces. Start by finding the correct measurement to accommodate your pontoon. Place the upright in the desired location. Secure to the cross beam using the supplied U-bolt and plate. Finger tighten down the bolts. Insert the adjustable extension into the upright. Make sure to give your pontoons adequate clearance to clear the crossbeam. Use two 3.5-inch bolts to secure the extension to the upright. Repeat this process in all four corners. Center the bed tube on the top of the adjustable extension. Slide the wrap over the bed tube. Secure to the adjustable extension using a 4-inch bolt. You're now ready to go ahead and place the 24-inch bumper on the upright. Use the 4-inch bolt from the wrap to secure the bumper to the upright. We will now need to drill a hole through the upright. Use a supplied bolt to secure the bumper to the upright. Go ahead and tighten it down. You're now ready to place the end caps over the end of the bed tube. This completes the assembly of the Hewitt Adjustable Pontoon Rack Kit.